Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and we've got a lot to catch up on. I've been doing some stuff in the background. As you can see, there's some clips playing right now. So, starting with this one, which is me at Clandau Circuit a couple of weeks ago. I had a little track day. I did about 50 laps. I was there for a few hours. Yeah, overall it went pretty well. Car held up very good. The brakes were kind of letting me down a bit, I'll be honest. But apart from that, it went very well. It was a lot of fun. I had a really good time. Really, really good time. I learned quite a bit. I learned that I needed to definitely have my coilover set up properly because, damn, I was going in thinking I was going to be getting like a lot of oversteer. But it turns out I was getting a lot of understeer. I was getting quite the opposite. But I should have all that dialed out now, and it should be all good. It's gonna look pretty slow from the footage, but it's just because of me and my confidence in the car. This is like the third or fourth time I've been on track. I've been on track at like Castle Coombe a couple of times and Silverstone for Japfest. But this was like my first proper track day, if anything. But yeah, it was good. It was really, really good. So I'll let you enjoy some sweet, sweet noises and a little bit of track sessions. By the way, this little saxo was absolutely flying, and as you heard then, there was like a pop coming out the back. I don't think you can see it much from the video, but there was a massive flame that came out of the back of that thing. It was insane. He was so fast.
Straight like that.
I think we're coming to the end of this little session, so should be seeing next that we went to Castle Coombe with the university, with the motorsport team, and yeah, we did pretty well. Finished P3 and P5 overall. over the entire day. It's basically all done in one day. Qualifying and the race done in one day. Qualifying didn't go so well. One of the cars had a suspension failure at one point. Not quite what we were hoping for, but it went pretty well. Yeah, the car doesn't look too fast out there, but trust me, it was a lot faster than in the car than it was outside. Here we go. Here's the MCR. Here's our little race cars that we build in uni. So this was from qualifying. Mind the shaky hands. We did pretty well. We had a failure around that corner, but just then. And that car, actually, car 40. We lost the rear suspension at one point. But we got it fixed. Got it turned around for the race. It was a very, very wet race. To be honest, it was very, very wet, as you will see. A lot of spray. Very difficult for the drivers, but yeah, as I said, we managed to pull it back. P3 and P5 after quite a confusing race, shall we say, because there was like a whole incident with the safety car at one point towards the end of the race, and we pitted just before the safety car. It came out, and then yeah, we kind of got confused a bit. Yeah, on to the next bit now. This literally happened the other day. I bought a new exhaust for the car because my old one was absolutely wrecking me. It was too loud, it was just too drony. So one of the other guys I know has just upgraded his 8.6. He's gone from like the 2018 shape facelift to a brand new GR86. So he was getting rid of his old exhaust, so I've had it. It's a nice little Cobra catback, non-resonated, and honestly, it sounds insane. You'll hear the sound clips in a bit.